Alright. So, we'll post first. So, may napansin ba kayo guys dun sa video? So, this is a documentary of GMA7. So, this is Born to be Wild. So, may na-notice ba kayo dun na isang organism dun sa puno? So, that will be revealed later on. So, this is an exciting, part um, of this documentary, no? So may mga madi-discover tayo, though before nandiyan na sila, but maano sa atin, no? Parang mari-refresh tayo na may mga ganito palang uri ng hayop, no? Especially yung mga insects na karaniwang hindi napapansin, no? And usually ang nagiging treatment sa kanila is harmful, no? Kada may makitang insects, 'di ba, kinatatakutan sometimes or madalas pa nga pinapatay. So parang um, ang tingin agad ng karaniwang tao is makakasakit yung insects, but that's not the truth, no? Hindi yung katotohanan. Not all insects ay ganoon mga ang treatment sa mga tao. So, um, this documentary is maganda to, no? Especially sa ating, you know, para sa mga tao rin. Natutunan nila, ma-educate sila about the importance of insects. So, the name of the insects will be revealed later. So, let's play. Yeah. Okay. So, nag-float na yung name, no? So, nakita natin. So, that's the walking stick, no? Or the stick insect, what we call it, when I was studying. So, we were taught about this kind of insect. So, in this video, again, it will be revealed what its function. But to give you a clue, I can give you a clue word, which is phantom, ghost, or apparition. So that's the three words that I can provide you as the clue for